Xbox.
What's up, this is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the DC jack from a Dell Latitude 3470. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide latch over and remove battery. Unscrew and remove access door. Now disconnect hard drive cable from motherboard. Then unscrew and remove hard drive and caddy. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Now press in tabs and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect keyboard cable. Then remove bottom base screws. Now remove palmrest screws. Then disconnect palmrest cables. Now use a thin object to pry apart and separate palmrest from base. Then disconnect DC jack cables. Now unscrew and remove DC jack. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.